Hi, my Wi-Fi stopped working.
I can help. When did it stop working?
About 10 minutes ago. I was in the middle of something important.
Let's fix it. Look at your router.
Okay, I'm looking at it.
How many lights are on?
2 green lights and 1 red light.
A red light? That's the problem.
What do I do?
Unplug the router from the wall.
Okay, it's unplugged.
Wait 10 seconds.
Should I plug it back in?
Yes, plug it in now.
Done. The lights are blinking.
Good. Wait 1 minute.
Now all the lights are green.
Perfect. Is the Wi-Fi back?
Yes, it's working. Thank you.
Great. Have a good evening.
Oh, it's raining so hard.
Come in, quick. Get out of the rain.
Thank you. I'm soaked.
Where are you going?
Does this bus go to Maple Street?
Yes, Maple Street. It's 6 stops from here.
How much is the ticket?
$2.
Here you go. It's so crowded today.
Everyone takes the bus in the rain.
That's true. No one wants to walk. Is there a seat in the back?
I see one.
Thank you.
I'll let you know when we reach your stop.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Maple Street. Don't worry. I'll tell you when we get there.
And I really appreciate it.
Just hold on. The road is wet.
I will. Thank you, driver. Hi, I need to return this yogurt.
What's the problem?
It's expired. Look at the date.
Oh, you're right. It's old.
I bought it yesterday.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. I'm very sorry about that.
It's okay. Mistakes happen.
Would you like your money back?
Can I exchange it instead?
Of course. You can get a fresh one.
Where are the fresh ones?
They're in aisle 4. Check the date first.
Good idea. I'll check it.
Bring it here. There will be no extra charge.
Thank you. That's very fair.
Again, I'm sorry about that.
No problem. Thank you for your help.
Hi, my locker code isn't working.
I can help.
Which locker?
The one on Oak Lane.
Okay. What's your order number?
It's 72941.
Let me check. One moment.
The door just won't open.
I see your package. It's in locker 12.
Yes, locker 12, but the code doesn't work.
The old code has expired.
Oh, can you give me a new one?
Yes, your new code is 5580.
Let me try it.
Type it slowly.
It's open. The door opened.
Great! Is your package there?
Yes, I have it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks for the help.
Hi, my husband has a cold.
I'm sorry to hear that. What are his symptoms?
He has a runny nose and a cough.
Does he have a fever?
A little, but it's not too high.
This medicine works well for colds.
Do I need a prescription?
No, this one is available over the counter.
Good. How often should he take it?
Every 8 hours, 3 times a day.
Should he take it with food or without food?
With food. It's better for the stomach.
How much is it?
$9.
I'll take it. Is there anything else that can help with a cold?
Get plenty of rest, drink warm tea, and drink lots of water.
Warm tea. He'll like that.
He should feel better in a few days.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Get well soon. Hi. I'd like a haircut, please.
Sure. Have a seat. What style would you like?
Something simple and neat.
How short would you like it?
Not too short. About this much.
Okay, short on the sides?
Yes, but not too short on top.
Got it. Just a little off the top.
Exactly. I have a big day tomorrow.
Oh, is something special happening?
Yes, there's a family celebration.
Nice. You'll look great.
Not too short, please. I'm nervous.
Don't worry. I'll go slowly.
Thank you. I just want it neat and clean.
Almost done. Take a look in the mirror.
Oh, that's perfect.
Is it not too short?
No, it's just right. Thank you.
My pleasure. Enjoy your big day.